Number 41 on our building inspection checklist is referring to a 1-hour fire protection wall that would be built between your garage and your living area. So this would include any living area. This wall needs to be constructed with at least 5/8 inch thick Type X drywall, and it should be installed on the garage side. Now this needs to provide you with a protective barrier. If you have a high wall, a cathedral ceiling, that garage, the wall on the other side where your garage is, needs to have drywall that runs all the way up to the top of that wall also. It needs to provide a protective barrier just in case there is a fire. So again, if you live in an older home, for example, the home that we're in right now was built in 1959, and it has a 1/2-inch layer of drywall. It's actually the wall right behind us here. It has a 1/2-inch layer of drywall here, and on the other side, the builder installed originally a 1/2-inch thick drywall. So the same drywall they put inside the house, they used on the outside, where the garage is right now, right behind me. Now, older homes aren't required. They weren't required to have this. If you live in an older home, that's a choice you're going to have to make. Do you want to upgrade the home to 5/8 inch thick drywall, or do you want to leave it like it is? That's your choice. However, if you live in a newer home and someone has cut a section of this wallboard out, make sure that it gets repaired. Any section, make sure that it gets repaired. So you're looking at two options here. Live in an older home, you can upgrade. You live in a newer home, make sure that it gets repaired. This wall is there just in case there ever is a fire in your garage. It will provide you with a little more time to get out of the house or to contain the fire to the garage only.
If you own a house, you should inspect it regularly. But how can you inspect a home if you don't know what you're looking for? If you're not looking for a complicated checklist or something that wasn't written in a language that you can't understand anyway, do yourself a favor and visit this website today. The most valuable investment you have must be protected and inspected.